yung support to farmers and the fisher folks. Kanina binanggit ni Senator Amy yung mga fisher folks natin. Kailan ba talaga mabibigay yung inaasahan tulong mula sa Department of Agriculture? We have 9.29 million Filipinos employed in the agriculture sector, and that makes up 18.8% of our total employment.
Mr. Chair, for the presidential assistance for farmers and fishers, we said in the previous report that we are targeting around 4.1 million. 2 million is rice farmers tilling 2 hectares and below. Then all the registered corn farmers, all the registered sugarcane farmers, as well as around 399,000 fisher folks. The Secretary said earlier in his media interview that we are already rolling it out. Around 6.5 billion is already downloaded in selected regional field offices of the Department of Agriculture, and we're expecting to be distributed by April 15. Yun pong balance,
The 6.5 billion is included doon sa 10 billion na presidential assistance?
Yes, sir. Mr. Chair, medyo natagalan kami kasi supposed to be the release of funds will be through the DBP. Kasi for the use of the carded farmers, kasi yung pong beneficiaries natin na 2 hectares and below rice farmers, meron na pong mga na-issuing cards. Unfortunately, we have legal concerns because some of the regional branches ng DBP, hindi pa kami nakakapag-reconcile relative dun sa initial releases. So may issue about liquidation. So the strategy that was given, directed by the Secretary is si regional field officer na ng region ang magro-roll out. And as I've said, nasa 6.5 billion na po ang na-download namin sa mga regional offices namin. And this will be scheduled for rollout by April 15 po ang information that was given, Mr. Chair.
And hindi po kasalanan ng farmers yung delay. Tama po ba ako?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Thank you. Again, we have 9.29 million Filipinos employed in the agri-sector. 6.5 billion yung na-distribute kanyo. And how much are we talking about here? Kasi we're only targeting about what? 4 million farmers? So how much
Mr.
will be
Chair,
given
Mr.
to them?
Senator, the 4.1 beneficiaries is not only farmers, kasama din po dito
Yes,
ang
fisher folks.
Yeah, fisher folks. Ito lang po kasi sir yung the total amount that was released under the 2026 GA for the department is just 10 billion. And the targeting of the beneficiaries was given to us by
10
the
million out
10
of
billion
the 10
po, 10 billion.
Oh, big,
10
okay.
billion.
Oh.
Yeah,
Sige, please continue.
Under the 2026 DAGAA po, Mr. But yun nga po sir, ang ibang support of the department is yung available na continuing fund namin around 150 million. That's for fuel subsidy. And the 50 million of that is still for later release. But I think the DA already requested to the DBM the release of the for later release po, Mr. Chair.
Opposition. I'm a bit, how much again per farmer?
For the PAF, it's just 2,352 po. For the 4.1 million.
2,000. I'm not sure if that's enough, Mr. Chairman, but I will go to my next na lang. Baka ma-high blood ako dito, Mr. Chair. Just to put it on record, 9.3 million yung Filipinos employed in agri-sector. Ang target natin is 4 million. And we're still depending on DBM on whether or not they will release the funds. Ang i-release na fund is 2,000 pesos. Eh kung ako yung farmer, ako yung fisher folk, narinig ko kanina yung DOTRs trying to give them 1,000 plus net per day. hindi na ako magpa-farmer, hindi na ako mangingisda, no? So I just don't see the connection, Mr. Chairman. If we are into promoting farming, if we are into promoting our agri sector, we are still an agricultural country.